Once upon a time, a group of scientists wanted to do an experiment. They picked two prisoners who were going to be executed, but instead of hanging them, they had a different plan. They told the prisoners that they would be killed by a poisonous snake bite. The first prisoner was taken into a room and tied to a chair. He couldn't see anything because his eyes were closed. Then they let a real snake into the room. The snake bit the prisoner, and he died in terrible pain. The second prisoner had to watch all of this. When it was his turn, he was also tied to a chair with a blindfold on. But this time, there was no snake. Instead, they pricked him with two harmless pins, like a little poke. Even though it didn't hurt much, the second prisoner still died quickly, just like the first prisoner. The scientists were confused. They didn't understand why the second prisoner died when he wasn't bitten by a snake. They examined his body and found something surprising. His body had produced its own poison, like the snake venom, because he was so scared. This experiment yielded a valuable lesson: the power of our thoughts and the importance of maintaining a positive mindset. Negative energy, whether in the form of fear, anxiety, or pessimism, can have detrimental effects on our well-being. It can lead to the release of harmful hormones and contribute to various diseases. In today's world, negativity pervades many aspects of human existence. It is through negative thinking that individuals inadvertently harm themselves. However, by cultivating positivity and adopting an optimistic outlook, we can counteract this destructive force. We should strive to maintain positive thoughts, as they have the potential to generate healing and well-being within us. This fictional story serves as a reminder to always nurture a positive mindset, for our thoughts have the power to shape our reality and impact our physical and emotional health. By consciously choosing positivity, we can lead healthier, more fulfilling lives, free from the self-inflicted harm caused by negative thinking. This is the angel's wisdom. Don't forget to inspire others and make life meaningful.